Good morning. We are in Madhayan Nursery in Ranipur Tiger Reserve. This is in Markundi 2, which is the buffer range of Ranipur Tiger Reserve. We are at the edge of the forest here, and very important nursery for the forest department. A lot of plantation happens from here. The problem here is that they do not have a permanent way where how they can get water. So they have been using diesel pump. In summers they use it 24/7. In winters they use for 8 to 10 hours a day. Their monthly diesel expenditure is around 25 to 30,000 rupees, and yearly expenditure to between 3 to 3.5 lakh rupees. So with the help of our donors, Earth Brigade Foundation is actually giving here a 3 HP system. This will help them completely eradicate the dependence on generators out here. Also, a lot of times they don't have diesel, so they can't do the plantation and everything. There are fund issues and everything. So this will be again sorted. A lot of noise, a lot of emissions will actually get reduced out here. Plus this side of the nursery is the forest out here. So we are giving water to the 2 water bodies as well, because there is a movement of animals like sloth bear, leopard, wild boars, cheetahs out here. So we'll be giving water to the wildlife as well. Plus this nursery will also be fed. We'll show you the entire thing in the due course. Hi. So today we are going to eat Gunjan special pulao in the forest. We are in Madhayan in Ranipur Tiger Reserve. So अपना खाना हमें खुद बनाना पड़ता है, मैनेज करना पड़ता है, and we love doing it. So I'm now making pulao for the entire team today. We'll have it with curd, the easiest way. We carry everything with us. So finally when I cook it, I'll show you that it's done. So I've put the garlic and the potato with the chilka. Very desi style of cooking pulao, but I am trying to do right now. All masalas will go now.
सर, हमारे यहाँ पानी की बहुत दिक्कत थी. अब हमारे साहब ने सोलर लगा दिया है, तो हमें पानी की कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, और जानवरों को पानी पीने के लिए पर्याप्त है. और बिजली भी लगा दिया है. जगनेटर अंधेरे में रहते थे, सांप कीड़ा बहुत थे, तो हमारे साहब ने बिजली का सिस्टम बनवा दिया है. डीजल से भरपूर काम नहीं हो पाता था इंजनों से.
Good morning. We are at Tulsi Falls. This is a brilliant site that we are doing, and one of the most difficult sites that we'll be doing. So you just saw the waterfall coming from there to the first droppage, and then to the second droppage out there. That is from where the second pond, the second droppage, we are going to pick up the water, because that's where in summers you always have around 80 to 90 feet of water always there. The first droppage, the water dries out in summer, so that's the place only you have water the entire year. So what happens in summers is, these waterfalls are almost not there. The river from where the water goes down, seepages down somewhere in summers, and then it comes directly to the second droppage out here. So what we are going to do is, at the top there are a lot of animals, movement of sloth bear, leopard. Actually this place was closed for 3 months because there was very heavy leopard movement out there. So there are regular leopard and sloth bear movement apart from cheetal, nilgai and other animals as well. They find it very difficult to go down there in the bottom in summers and drink water. So what we are going to do is, we are taking up the water from here and giving up to the water bodies on the top of this plateau out here. Plus there is a chowki as well. This is a tourist destination as well, so we're going to give water here to the chowki as well. And the water will be given to the 2 water bodies which are pretty far away from the tourist place, so that there is no conflict things. Because what happens is, during tourist destination things, during the tourism time, there are chances of conflict also, because in summers the animals will go down and then there are tourists here and there can be issues as well. So we are giving water 500-700 meters inside, so that the animals will stop inside and they won't come towards this side, and it will also help reduce the conflict out here, and also give water to the wildlife at the top, which is really necessary because there is no water on the top here. So we will be actually putting up the motor deep down there, and which is from here around 200-250 feet down there, and we will be actually submerging the motor as well around 70-80 feet inside, and then taking it up to the top. It will be very difficult for us to work. It looks very easy, but we have to go down here, trek down there. It is extremely slippery out here. It is rainy season. There was no water, very less water yesterday here. It has started flooding here. So flooding happens any moment because of the rains that happens at the backside. So we have to be very careful while we are working, because this is extremely dangerous. It has taken lives of a lot of people before as well. Hi, we are at Chauri in Ranipur Tiger Reserve right now. Such a lovely place. It's a Chauri rest house, forest rest house. It's a Chauri grassland out here, and we are going to do a very complex system out here. We are doing 2 solar systems out here. One is there is a borewell out there. So the whole idea out here is that this grassland has got less water here. In summers there is no water out here. So we are doing a complex system out here. I'll show you, Neeraj, if you can show at the back, that side. If you see that top of the plateau, so we are gonna give water at that top. So there is no water actually on the top of the plateau and behind it, and all the animals here, they migrate out from here to nearby villages in summers. So this is the whole idea, that we want to give water there. It is very complex. So what we are planning to do is, we have done 2 solar systems here. One is from the borewell at Chauri rest house. We are gonna give water to this natural tank or a well out here, because this dries up generally in summer. So we will be giving water to this. This will be always filled, and from here we are putting another bigger system and giving the water to the top of the plateau, and there we'll be filling a water body, and from the overflow of that water body, the water will actually percolate down to a nala down there, and will actually feed the system out there. So we want to actually create a line of water bodies, so the nala will actually be fed through the water bodies, the overflow of the water body, and that way the entire area 3 to 4 kilometers will be revived backside, and the top of the plateau will also be revived. A tiger was here few months back, staying in the top, but because of no water it left the place. So we are expecting the tiger would return here, and this time the tiger will actually stay here. So this is what we are doing at Chauri. We are actually from the borewell filling up a big well, a tank out here. It's a natural tank or a well. This has some water at the base, but it generally depletes. So this tank will actually will be used as a tank for us. In this we have put a 3 HP motor, and from here we will send the water to the top there, out there. Neeraj will show you the top there later. So we are actually filling the well, first of a kind that we are doing this time, filling up a well from a borewell, and from here we are getting the water to the top of the hill.
आज अर्थ विकेट फाउंडेशन द्वारा हमारे कल्याणपुर चौकी पर सोलर पैनल की स्थापना की जा रही है, जो कि बहुत अच्छी बात है। जिससे हमें सुनिश्चित तरीके से बिजली की उपलब्धता हो पाएगी।
So we are at Kalyanpur Chowki right now, and this is one of the in future going to be the most important chowkis out here because the tourism from both the sides will start and culminate from here. Currently at this chowki there was no electricity, so Brigade Foundation with the help of our donors have given a solar electrification system here. So we have done electrification out here with given completely all the wiring and boards and bulbs and everything out here, including in the washrooms and outside as well, so that now there will be light and now the staff will be staying here. Previously no staff was staying because of no electricity out here. So now the staff will be staying here 24/7 out here. Thank you.